Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making Word treat each visual as a caption figure, because linking depends on fields, not plain text. Insert the image, then add a caption via references Insert Caption, pick the label Figure and the right position. Once done, make sure numbering style is consistent across captions, and avoid manual numbers. Word must control them. If you plan chapters, use heading numbering before captions, so figure numbers. Now you link to those captions so numbers update automatically. Place the cursor in your text where you want the figure number, then choose References Cross-Reference. Set reference type to figure, pick only label and number when you need just the number, or entire caption to include text. Click Insert and Close. Because this creates a field, Word will update it when figures move. That is why you use cross-references instead of typing numbers manually. To finalize, force Word to refresh all links so figures show correct numbers. Press Ctrl+A to select the document, then F9 to update fields. If a reference shows wrong or displays the caption text instead of a number, delete that cross-reference and reinsert it pointing to the correct caption. Never edit the field content directly. Finally, save, and when you add or remove figures later, repeat Ctrl+A and F9, so all linked figure numbers remain accurate and consistent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.